guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Ashley, and I hope you're having a great day today, guys. So ngayon, guys, nagpahit si mommy, guys. Sa Best Buy, yung new baby. Kasi like she buy a new computer from Best Buy. Because technically, the other computer that she had is broken because my little brother put a lot of lotion, my favorite lotion, to the keyboard. That's why it's not working right now, because it's full of lotion. So she decided to buy a new one to watch your videos, guys, with the comeback thing. She's also doing documents on this computer. So let's open it, guys. Let's show you what color mommy got. Because I don't also know it.
Lenovo.
This is the brand is Lenovo. Lenovo. So technically, guys, it's color blue, dark blue. Here it is. You open it?
Yeah.
So guys, na siya a fingerprint scan. You just have to put your finger here and it will turn on. It's like a detect fingerprint. And here it is. So all of them is already here, guys. Na-set up na ako important na things that I needed. So yeah. And here, guys, we have the computer's charger. It has a big bar on it. It says 1 meter, guys, on one. But it has a small plug-in thing. You put it in. And this one is a Windows 10 in S mode. And let's see what type of font size. IdeaPad Slim 3. And let's see. So today it's a 17-inch, guys, on computer. Manufactured in date 2021, January 1st. So this is the latest, guys. No, computer. So Best Buy, guys. The thing that I like is the one that's more easier, guys. Is because the one that is easiest is when you put your finger on the power on. Or technically you don't have to press anything, you just have to put your finger and it will technically detect that you're that person that owns this computer. And also the thing that I like is even though it's not my favorite color, like the purple, it's still I like the color of it because it's dark blue, and it's like when it's dark, it just looks like it's black color when you don't have light. But when you have light, it's like really fun. You can see that it's the real color of it. It's also thin, guys. You can see, but it's also heavy when you lift it. Like even though it's skinny, it's still heavy. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. And see you guys in my next one. Bye.